Hi there, Marcus Ochoa here from buildablogblueprint.com, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a header to your website. Now right now you're looking at a WordPress blog using an optimized press theme, and you'll see the header is just white. It's just blank. It's completely bare. So what I'm going to do is show you how to add a header, and the headers can greatly change the look of your site and just make them a little bit more pleasing to the eye cosmetically. So if I go over and show you another site using the same theme, you see here I have a header here, and you can see it just changes the look of the site and the feel of the site. So I want to show you guys how to do that. And one of the things I tell people when they're first starting out and just setting their site up is to really not worry too much about this. I mean, right now you're not getting very much traffic. If you just put your site up, you're not getting very much traffic. So, don't spend too much time on it. But then I also understand that you want your site to look nice. So you're eventually, at some point, are going to want to put a header up on your site. And I want to show you how to do that. And it's pretty simple to do if you already have an image. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the dashboard, and you are going to go to the optimized press, and let's check out the general settings first. And let's see. Let me see. Now I don't know exactly where it is, so bear with me for a second here. So now we're using a blog, so we're going to use the blog header URL. So the question was, this is actually a test site. Somebody sent me over a question saying that they uploaded their image and they weren't seeing their header. So I see they uploaded the header just under the general settings. What you need to do if you're using it as a blog format like this is you need to upload your image under the blog options. So if I click blog options, it gives you instructions, says enter the full URL of your header, or just upload your image, and you enter the height of your image, and it gives you the width. The width is 977. So if you are somebody who's familiar with Photoshop and creating your own images and things like that, then you kind of know what this means, and you can create an image of your own. If you don't want to get into graphic design and things like that, you can go over to a website called Fiverr.com. It is Fiverr, 2R's.com. Go on over to Fiverr.com, and you can find somebody for $5 to create you a header. So right now I'm at the home page. It says I will design a unique logo, photography, or others. Just type in what you're looking for. You're going to find somebody who will do this for you for pretty cheap and with decent quality, and it's going to save you some time if you don't know how to use Photoshop or you don't know how to create images on your own. But if you want to learn how, it's a good skill to learn. A program that I use and I'm not an expert with is called GIMP. If you Google the word GIMP, G-I-M-P, it's a free software and it works pretty well. So real quickly, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you an example. I'm going to create a new image, and I want the width, again, 977. So I type in 977, and I know the image height that, well, let's see. I need to go here, and I'm going to see how big this image is. And the number I'm looking for here is 165. So just going to click, I'm going to cancel this out and go back to GIMP and create a blank image, 977 by 165. Click OK. So now I'm going to open back up the image one of the images that I want to use, if I can find it. And if you go over to Fiverr, you just need to give them an idea of what you want and then let them know the size. So let them know you want it to be 977 by anywhere from 150 to 200. It's going to depend on what it looks like. That's probably the normal range is probably the normal height is going to be about 150 to 200. So depending on the look of your site and how you want it to look, the height will be up to you, but the width is important, and that's going to be 977. So I'm looking for image to open. I'm opening this image, and I'm just going to edit. And well, first let me do just real quick. I'm going to show you with GIMP some of the stuff you can do. So I'm going to do Tools, Paint, and I'm going to do a bucket fill with some sort of pattern just to give it a quick look. And again, I'm not an expert with GIMP. I know how to do a little bit of stuff, but I'm not an expert. So I'm trying to find how to pick the colors on the paint or the bucket fill. And here we go. And I'm going to pick one of these patterns here. So maybe this one. And I'm just going to do that. Then I'm going to go back over to this image. Going to edit it, copy, edit, and then paste. So that's what I have there. And, I don't know if she's going to like this as the final header, but, we can always change it. So I'm just using this as an example. So I'm going to go back to export, and I'm going to export the image to my desktop. Save it. All right, so it should be on my desktop. What I'm gonna do is go back to the dashboard. So I have the image saved to my desktop. Let me look for it, show you. Here's the image. And I'm going to go back to the WordPress dashboard and choose upload image. Find an image where I exported it. Change the height to 165 and then click save. And when I refresh the site, it should pop up. Okay, so there's the header. And again, this can always be changed. I just wanted to show you guys real quickly how easy it is to do. Just go to your dashboard, optimize press, blog settings, and upload your image and choose the appropriate height. If you don't want to create your own image, you can always go over to Fiverr and let them know, what someone over there, what you want, for real cheap. They will create an image for you. You just have to give them the size, 977 by, again, somewhere around 150 to 200, depending on what you want your site to look like. And, even over at Fiverr, just because it's $5, there's a way to easily, you could easily have a few people give you a couple different jobs. For $20, you can have 4 different headers, and then you can just pick which one you want. If you want to get real fancy, you have a little bit more money to spend. I believe the site is 99designs.com. This one's going to cost you, I think, anywhere from maybe $100 to a couple $100, and you're going to have some better quality stuff over here at 99 Designs. People will bid on your project, will actually create something, and then you can pick the winner. So it's sort of a contest for designers. So it's a more higher end way to do it if you're looking for something more professional and something that looks really, really good. 99 Designs is the way to go, just to save you some time from having to learn GIMP and do it yourself. But if you want to learn GIMP, there's a ton of tutorials on YouTube to help you do it. You see how easily I just created this image. So guys, hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, you can contact me through my website at buildablogblueprint.com. Click the contact button. Let me know what your question is, and I will make a video answering it if I can. But I'll definitely reply back and help you out. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.